Assalamu alaikum. Good time, everybody. Today I'll share with you five important synonyms and another two synonyms with every word. At first, taboo, nishiddho, noun, forbidden, banded, tacit, onukto, tacit, adjective, implicit, unspoken, onukto. Tacit, mythobhashi, this word adjective. Another two synonyms, aloof, laconic, aloof, laconic. Fourth word, tangible, tangible, অনুভবনীয়, traceable, palpable, palpable, অনুভবনীয়, tedious, tedious, ক্লান্তিকর, tedious, ক্লান্তিকর, adjective. And another two synonyms, tedious of two synonyms, dull, একঘেয়ে, boring, বিরক্তিকর, boring, বিরক্তিকর.